This tutorial will walk you through how to change your LinkedIn URL. Start on your homepage and click Me in the top right-hand corner. When the drop-down appears, click View Profile. On your profile, to the right of your background image, click on Edit Public Profile and URL. You will be taken to a new page where you can edit your profile settings. To the right of your background image, under the section labeled Edit Your Custom URL, click the blue pencil next to your current URL. In the type box, edit your URL to display what you would like. You should try to keep it as close to your name as possible. Click Save when you are finished. That's it, you're done.